Hello, Mr. Stemple here with your first assignment for the fourth quarter. This is the IED assignment for building a drawing from a room measurement. So let's talk about why we do these things. So like we've been talking about all year, measurement and drawing are very important in communication, especially now when we're communicating remotely with pretty much everybody. You have to be able to communicate your ideas in the form of a drawing with appropriate dimensions and all the rest of it, just in case you're not able to speak to that person. So here's a couple of examples of architectural drawings that I found online. And these drawings will communicate effectively the size and shape of this room and some of the structures inside of a room to any architect. They could pick that up and design that house or that room based just on those drawings. So it's important to be able to communicate things with drawings. So your assignment today is going to be to measure and draw your room. So it's both a measurement assignment and a drawing assignment. So let's talk about measuring first. What I want you to do is choose a room in your house, doesn't matter which one, and then measure the major components of that room. So you're going to measure the walls, you're going to measure the doors, you're going to measure any major pieces of furniture like your bed or a dresser or something that you're not going to move around a lot, maybe even chairs, that kind of stuff. And you can measure it in either centimeters or inches, totally up to you. You can measure it in either of those things and use a ruler, or you can use a tape measure, you can use whatever you have available. And what I want you to do is to draw a picture of that. So the hint that I'll give you is before you start, draw a sketch of the room, approximate sizes and dimensions, and that'll give you a space to write in all the stuff that you measure. Right, so you're not trying to remember it or write it in the list. Just draw it on a little diagram. It doesn't have to be to scale, and just write in all the measurements. There's the one that I used when I was doing my measurement, just a place to jot everything down. And then once you've got all your measurements, I want you to draw a scale drawing. So there's a couple ways to do this. You can do a scale drawing in your notebook if you like, full scale drawing, and then turn that in. Or you can go online. There's a lot of places online you can go to do this. Here's one that I found. It's called planyourroom.com. It makes pretty simple and easy scale drawings of rooms for you. There are a few limitations in that the furniture that's available, not every piece of furniture is available. You can select a bed, and then you can adjust its size. You can select a chair and adjust its size. The door, you can't adjust the size, but that's not a big deal. But you won't be able to find every type of furniture that you have, but you can estimate based on whether or not it looks like a desk or it looks like a bed or it looks like a chair or something like that. So choose whatever you think is most appropriate. Add that into your drawing on planyourroom.com, or if you want to choose another tool, that's fine. It's up to you. And then what I want you to turn in, of course, is that drawing. So I want you to turn in a picture, either a picture of your notebook or a screenshot of your online drawing. Whatever it is that you choose you want to turn in, you can turn that in on Canvas, or you can show me in one of my conference calls. If you can't do either of those things, then give me a call and we'll figure out how you can turn this assignment in. So good luck. It's kind of a fun assignment. Shouldn't take a long time. Should be something that you can do, maybe even get some help from little brother or your little sister or your mom or dad or something like that. So enjoy, have a good time, and hopefully I'll see you all soon.